Hi guys, I am Viha and I'm currently studying in SVCE, and today we're going to talk about volume by triple integration and center of gravity. So what is volume by triple integration and what is center of gravity? So volume by triple integration is a mathematical technique used to calculate the volume of complicated 3D shapes, and center of gravity is the point at which an object's weight is evenly distributed, and it plays a crucial role in physics and engineering. So understanding these concepts is very essential for various applications such as architecture, physics, and structural engineering. So what is triple integration? Triple integration is a process of evaluating a triple integral which represents the volume of a region in three-dimensional space. It involves integrating a function over a given region considering three variables, x, y, and z. It can also be any other variable like a, b, c, or anything else. The integral is computed by dividing the region into infinitely small parts and summing up these contributions. So what are the steps to calculate the volume by triple integration? First, we have to define the region of interest in the coordinate system. Next, we have to set up triple integrations by determining the limits of each integration. Then we have to choose an appropriate function to integrate, usually representing the density or height of the shape. Next are applications of volume of integration. So the first application is architecture, calculating the volume of irregular shaped buildings or structures. Next is mechanics. Here we determine the volume of fluid within the complex containers of pipes using volume by triple integration. Next is material science, estimating the volume of composite materials or irregularly shaped objects is done using volume by triple integration. Next, what is center of gravity? So as we said before, it is the point where the entire weight of the object lies, and it is the average position of all the individual particles' weights that makes up the object. So center of gravity is also a crucial concept in physics and engineering, and it affects an object's stability and equilibrium. How do we calculate the center of gravity? So for a uniform object with symmetrical mass distribution, the center of gravity is at the geometric center. For irregular objects, the center of gravity can be determined by dividing the objects into smaller parts and considering their individual weights and distances from a reference point. So there is a formula given. We can use this formula to find the center of gravity for any shape or figure. So what are the applications of center of gravity? The first is engineering, so designing structures to ensure stability and balance. Then is physics, understanding the equilibrium of objects and predicting their behavior. Then sports, so optimizing the balance and weight distribution of equipment such as bicycles, golf clubs, and we see it in indoor biking. There it is very important to maintain the center of gravity. So in conclusion, volume by triple integration and center of gravity are very fundamental topics in maths and physics. Their applications extend to various fields from architecture to automotive engineering. And by mastering these concepts, professionals can accurately calculate volumes and predict the stability of objects. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.